ruling from the Supreme Court today, stirring up a lot of talk. The Supreme Court served up a legal victory for this Colorado baker who refused to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple. Even though the court did not rule on the bigger issue of gay rights versus religious rights, both sides in this case are claiming a win.
I feel like we've helped change public opinion, and that's a win for us.
Like many other creative professionals, I don't create custom designs for events or messages that conflict with my conscience.
Lisa Sigell is live in Valley Village with more on this ruling and reaction to it. Lisa.
And Pat, people are definitely talking about this ruling, what it means, and where we're headed. At Continental Kosher Bakery in Valley Village, they adhere to strict rules based on their Jewish beliefs.
Everything is here certified kosher. We have a rabbi that supervises our facility. We're closed every Sabbath.
But even though it's a kosher bakery, they will serve all customers.
We've done First Communion cakes, we've done cakes for Christian holidays, and we do lots and lots of wedding cakes. And it doesn't matter who the couple is, we make the cake, and we hope that it's delicious.
It was a wedding cake at the center of today's Supreme Court ruling. The court found in favor of Colorado baker Jack Phillips, who refused to make a wedding cake for a same-sex couple based on his religious beliefs. In a 7-2 decision, they found his religious rights were violated after a Colorado Civil Rights Commission showed hostility towards him. USC law professor Jody Armour explains what the court said.
Anti-discrimination laws are important, and LGBT rights are important and will be given a lot of weight. He also said, though, you can't denigrate the religious beliefs of others.
The couple that asked Phillips to create the cake said they were disappointed but not defeated. Sam Garrett Pate with Equality California, an LGBTQ civil rights organization, says the ruling reaffirmed a basic principle.
50 years ago, our country decided that we don't allow discrimination in places of public accommodation, and that businesses that are willing to serve some people have to be willing to serve all people.
Professor Armour says the ruling does open up a bigger question.
How do we balance freedom of religion and freedom of expression against resisting discrimination?
Back at Continental Kosher Bakery, they are open to all, but they can understand the baker has his own point of view.
I think that he has the right to do it, and I think that the community has the right to weigh in.
And appeals at the Supreme Court. There are other cases that are pending, including one from a florist who did not want to provide flowers for a same-sex wedding. Back to you.